Hi. Do you dream of being an IAS or an IPS officer but are confused regarding how to approach the civil services examination? It is said that getting the basics right is the first step to achieving your dream. To help you fulfill this dream, Neo IAS brings you the Foundation course. The Foundation course is a 11-week online course which is designed to instill in you a firm base for each and every core subject as per the syllabus of the UPSC Civil Services examination. Well, many candidates don't even know that this examination comes with a well-defined syllabus in the first place. The various subjects would be handled by subject experts who can guide you and give you a solid foundation which will help you achieve your civil services dream. This entire course comes at a very affordable price of 11,899 rupees only. So why wait? Come join us and let us help you turn your dreams into reality.